Fellow shareholders, good morning. Thank you for your time today and for your continued support of your company, the Century Properties Group. The year 2023 has been a year of significant achievements and milestones for CPG, marked by strong financial performance, strategic acquisitions, and expansion into new market segments. It has also been a remarkable year for the Philippine economy, with full-year GDP growth reaching 5.5%. Notably, this growth rate surpassed that of major economies in Asia, including China, Vietnam, and Malaysia, driven by robust domestic demand despite external challenges and an elevated inflation rate. On track with the company's vision and strategic direction, CPG closed the year with a healthier financial position in a competitive market. The year 2023 was characterized by strategic initiatives, expansions, and prudent financial management. CPG capped its 2023 operations with stronger performance, reporting a consolidated net income after tax of 1.9 billion, 32% higher than 1.4 billion in 2022. This NIAT level is a 10-year high and has surpassed the pre-pandemic performance of CPG. Your company's revenues grew by 14% to 12.7 billion, driven by the sustained stronger contribution of CPG's first home residential development platform, First, amounting to 7.4 billion or 58% of total revenues. Its in-city vertical developments and commercial leasing segments contributed 27% or 3.5 billion and 11% or 1.4 billion, respectively. The remainder came from our property management segment, which contributed 4% or 0.5 billion. This proves that the deliberate and prudent measures taken by your company's management and the strategies we implemented are now materializing. We continue to serve the high demand for affordable, quality, strategically located first homes and focus on the continued recovery of our other real estate business segments. Your company's EBITDA for 2023 also surged by 36% to 3.4 billion from 2.5 billion in 2022 due to higher gross profit margins, which rose to 47% from 43% in 2022. This is mainly attributed to the higher contribution from the first segment and the enhanced operating efficiencies across all business units. As of the end of December 2023, our total assets amounted to 55.4 billion, with total liabilities at 35.1 billion and total equity at 20.3 billion. Our consolidated project portfolio is 85% pre-sold with a total of 37,500 units, equivalent to 133.4 billion of sales value. The in-city vertical development segment is 98% pre-sold with 19,340 units, equivalent to around 100 billion sales value. First segment is 74% pre-sold with 18,000 homes, equivalent to 33.4 billion sales value. We have effectively allocated our capex for 2023, amounting to 5.9 billion, a large portion of which was used for construction developments. This underscores our commitment to complete our projects and development initiatives. Additionally, we are pleased to report the completion of 33 projects within our in-city vertical developments portfolio by December 2023. These projects encompass 18,500 units with an aggregate gross floor area of 1.5 million square meters. Furthermore, our first segment has seen substantial progress with 9,000 homes completed across 8 provinces. These achievements exemplify our unwavering dedication to delivering quality housing solutions across diverse market segments. CPG continues to adopt sound debt management and prudent financial controls. In March of 2023, we listed 3 billion in fixed-rate retail bonds on the PDEX. Rated AA+ by the Credit Rating and Investor Services Philippines, the bond proceeds were used for capital expenditures for new first projects, redemption of preferred shares, and operational needs. In May of 2023, CPG's board approved the company's acquisition of Mitsubishi Corporation's 40% stake in First Park Homes Inc. and Tanza Properties Inc., securing full ownership. The Philippine Competition Commission greenlit the deal on August 2023. By November of 2023, CPG finalized the acquisition, paying 1.4 billion. This move allows us to offer greater value to our stakeholders now that CPG is the 100% owner of a fast-growing and high-margin business. As the sole owner of First, which caters to our core price point, and with our expansion into new brands, broadening our product and price offerings, we now have a platform to address the entire spectrum of the country's housing backlog. In July 2023, CPG fully redeemed its 3 billion preferred shares issued on January 2020. 2023 also proved to be a pivotal year for First. In February 2023, CPG announced the expansion of its residential offerings through Century First Corporation, targeting socialized, economic, and mid-income markets. CPC's flagship projects include First Editions Batulao in Nasugbu, Batangas, First Sites Bae in Laguna, and First Centrale Hermosa in Bataan. First Editions Batulao, CPC's first middle-income development, spans 14 hectares and will offer 630 units, priced from 2 million to 6 million, with a total sales value of 3 billion. First also launched its new campaign, The Home of Many Firsts, to provide an elevated housing experience and a place for first-time home buyers to create more firsts with their family and loved ones. Last year, First celebrated a significant milestone when it unveiled its very first project in the Visayas region, First Park Homes Bacolod, which kicked off the execution of our Visayas Mindanao expansion strategy. In November 2023, Novotel Suites Manila at Aqua, CPG's first foray into the hospitality industry, formally opened the doors to the public. Located in Mandaluyong City, Novotel Suites Manila at Aqua provides seamless access to business and leisure travelers. The Philippine government's international arrivals target in 2023 was surpassed, resulting in overall improvement in Metro Manila occupancies and daily rates. Through Novotel, we continue to serve this sector and accommodate our growing number of guests. Our efforts for growth and expansion are not only focused on residential development, but also in our facilities and property management business through Century Properties Management, Inc. CPMI is currently the largest independent property manager in the Philippines, with a portfolio of 7.6 million square meters under its care. 15 new projects were added to its list of properties and facilities outside Metro Manila that receive the highest level of expertise, support, and care. This brings the total number of projects under CPMI's management to 66, covering 97 buildings in 2023. With more than 30 years of experience in the industry, the passion and dedication of our officers, CPMI continues to be a leading provider of full-service property and integrated facilities management. Our commercial leasing business grew steadily throughout 2023. Under commercial leasing, we now have a total of 145,000 square meters, with an average occupancy of 87% for our major leasing assets. With more offices opting to work on-site, foot traffic had significantly improved in Century City Mall and our office buildings. Centuria Medical Makati continues to be a key player in this business, now manned by over 1,000 physicians, dentists, and allied health professionals, and has become the preferred healthcare destination of more than 530,000 patients. For over 38 years now, Century Properties has been developing real estate projects that meet the evolving needs of different market segments while promoting sustainable growth and value for its stakeholders. Your company will move forward with the expansion of its horizontal developments, including its strategic move to venture into Visayas and Mindanao, while recalibrating the strategy for its vertical residential business. We will choose to remain prudent in terms of project launches under our vertical development segment to mitigate the risk associated with long-duration projects. We will remain good stewards and managers for all our stakeholders and investors as we take a positive view on the proven robust and resilient market need for our first home housing projects. We will heed the market demand for more quality first homes. We will continue to serve Filipinos with product offerings ranging from economic to mid-income and premium markets. Where the location and market call for, we will build projects that will incorporate commercial and retail in our first home developments. For our in-city vertical developments, we look forward to unveiling our upcoming projects tailored to meet the evolving needs of various market segments, as well as a mid-rise residential development within Azure North Estate in San Fernando, Pampanga. The upcoming projects within the Azure North Estate will include 6 mid-rise towers that can potentially contribute an inventory valued at 16.2 billion pesos. The first mid-rise building to be launched this year will consist of 374 units with an estimated sales value of 2.8 billion and a capital expenditure of 1.2 billion. Through these projects, CPG aims to capitalize on the robust demand for high-quality residential properties in key urban centers. From our historic past of delivering premium and luxury developments, CPG shall continue to bring its DNA of creativity and innovation to our upcoming projects, taking our customers' needs and desires at the center of our core values. These developments not only contribute to the company's revenue growth, but also enhance its brand reputation as a developer of choice for upscale urban living solutions. Under our first brand, we will be launching 5 new projects in 2024, covering 85 hectares, with over 8,000 units worth 18 billion pesos of fresh inventory. 3 of these developments will be in Calabarzon, while the other 2 will be in Central Luzon. First strategically targets high-growth regions where there is strong demand for affordable and quality housing options. This geographic diversification mitigates risk and enhances the company's market reach. Your company remains committed to creating shareholder value through a strategic blend of prudent financial management and sustainable growth initiatives. Rewarding you, our dear shareholders, is more important to us. CPG aims to generate long-term value by consistently delivering strong financial performance and capitalizing on lucrative opportunities in the real estate market. The company prioritizes the allocation of resources towards projects with high potential for profitability and carefully manages its capital structure to optimize returns for shareholders. This focus on financial health not only benefits investors, but also strengthens the company's ability to weather economic fluctuations and industry challenges. We remain optimistic about the future prospects of Century Properties Group. The government projects faster GDP growth of 6.5 to 7.5% in 2024, and we are committed to playing our part in contributing to the development of the Philippines. We will pursue organic growth, acquisitions, and strategic initiatives to further expand our market presence and deliver value to our shareholders. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to our shareholders, employees, partners, and customers for their unwavering support and dedication. Together, we will continue to build a brighter future for Century Properties Group and the communities we serve. Thank you and have a fruitful day ahead.